What's going on, guys? This is Williams, and in today's video we're going to talk about an AI tool that can help you, as claimed by the company, auto-generate bureau visuals, which means it's going to make your video production even 10 times faster. So what better way is there other than for us to try it, right? So what we're going to do now is to just register, get into the tool, and use it hands-on. So sit back, relax, and let's get on with this. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to go to Jupitrr.com, and I believe it's pronounced Jupitrr, but with a double R and no E. So it's you go to Jupitrr.com, and it has a very nice looking UI, and that's not what we're here for. But signing up is very easy. You just use your email address or your Google account and log in. I have already signed up. So once I just click on this, it shows that I can either access my settings or go to video library. Now we're going to create a new video. Now clicking on creating a new video takes you, shows you these options. One is to create an AI video, and the second is an audiogram. We are here for the AI video, and by AI video, it doesn't mean generating video content from AI. It actually means using AI to help you with your workflow. So as it stands, we have two options for creating video using AI. The first is to add B-rolls to your video, and the second is to turn your audio to video, and this will automatically fill the entire video with B-rolls, which would include stock images and video, and they keep on mentioning stock images or video. So it's not something that you should expect a video entirely generated by AI. It's something that you should just know that you're going to see a lot of stock images that are hopefully free to use and free to monetize. Now we're going to try this option first before jumping into this, because this looks like one of the options that we have used several times on this channel, and it's just going to be a slightly different version since it's not going to be generated entirely by AI. So for the B-roll, I have a video here, part of one of the videos I have recorded earlier days of this channel, and its disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Now this particular video is actually longer than this. It's like 10 minutes or so, and I added some of my B-rolls there. So I'm just going to play the video and show you how it actually looks. So this is how the video looks, and when you go, yeah, like in between the video, you're going to see B-rolls, and these were manually done actually by me, and it took time to get this result that was then. But then let's see if we can use this to the one that already has the B-roll, then use Jupitrr AI to edit it, right? So I'm just going to upload the video here. Now upon uploading the video, you would see a message like this, which, well, it never really occurred to us that something like this would come up. First of all, the video is 5 minutes long, and it's saying transcription limit reached 10 minutes. For your information, I have never used this tool because of the limitation. So the plan was to use it real time so everyone could see how it works. Now I reduced the video length to 5 minutes, and then made sure it was less than 200 MB, and it's like less than 30 minutes long. But what I don't really understand here is what this message is saying. So let's go ahead and check the upgrade section. Okay, so the upgrade section just says there's a creator plan, and you can get 360 minutes of AI video and all that. But that's just it. Now the next thing I'm going to try doing is to further reduce the length of the video to, let's say, 2 minutes, and see how that goes. So now we have it reduced to 3 minutes, and it's 90 MB in size. So let's see if we try uploading this. I'm going to try refreshing this page to see if maybe it's going to refresh something and upload. Okay, so minutes to be used is 3. Minutes afterwards is 2, which is a total of 5 minutes. But that didn't really explain why, when we saw a maximum of 30 minutes and then 200 MB file size, it didn't really explain a lot. So for a free account, you can only do 5-minute video. And how does that help? Anyway, let's continue. So video title, let's say advantages of AI, and continue. So it's going to upload the file and then generate subtitles from the file, then get the page ready. So I'm going to pause this and come back when it's done. All right, so this is done, and we have our subtitle. Our transcription is ready, and it's going to give you, like, when you're coming in for the first time, it's going to give you some quick tips, but I'm not going to read this. I'm just going to skip everything. So what I want to do now is to check out the transcription, if it did a good job. So this is actually a good job. You know, that new girl in high school that every guy wants to talk with, the same girl yeah, so this is nice. And okay, so it's going to load a video preview, and it's going to be from the video itself. So a few minutes in, and this is still the same thing. So I think maybe we are getting it all wrong by not reading the, quick tip, but it's my bad. But then let's go ahead and continue. It says highlight text below to generate stock video. So does it mean it's when we try to generate a stock video that we would see a video preview? I don't know, but let's go ahead and try it. So let's go ahead and select a portion from the transcript to see if it generates a stock video as a B-roll. Let's see, you know that girl, this. All right, so let's try this first part and generate a video. You can actually also go ahead and generate an image, but let's generate a video. All right, so finally this has generated, and it actually started with a B-roll, and it's for the paragraph that we selected from the transcript. The result is not bad. I mean, it actually had like a very, very, very good intro. I'm just gonna play this. So you see, as you can see, there is a transcript. So that was the B-roll I added in the original video, and this is a continuation from the video that had no B-roll. So it means wherever it is that we want to add any B-roll, we just need to go to the text and select it, then add a video. So we can actually also use images. And can we generate B-rolls simultaneously? I mean, no, we can't. So this has added a B-roll here, which is nice. And then, mind you, there's a watermark showing this was powered by Jupitrr. Just put it at the back of your mind. For a free account, you can't escape this. But then for a free account, what big project can you actually do? And it's going to show you where that stock video or photo came from. So this particular one came from pexels.com. Let's see if we can try generating another one. So that's how easy it is to actually generate B-rolls. You just select the portion of the text and highlight and generate video. Then now that we have done this, let's go ahead and try playing the video.
You know that new girl in high school that every guy wants to talk with? The same girl where every other girl is jealous of because she has the tendency to steal their guys away? Well, that's what artificial intelligence is. So in this video, we're going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages, as well as some ethical issues that we should all be wary of when using and or developing artificial intelligence. So let's talk.
All right, so it added the bureau, quite sure, but then sometimes it could get it wrong. It could get it wrong. So far, I feel this is not so bad. The only thing is I'm actually also impressed with the change of scenery. So which means any part in a selection that you do, you could have multiple videos or images that would just go with the flow, but then sometimes it doesn't really get it right. So let's try using the second option of generating a video from an existing audio file. And what I did was to just extract the audio from that particular video we just used, and then since we have used slightly above 3 minutes out of our allotted 5 minutes, I ensured that the video was even less than a minute so it could just fit in. So I'm just going to upload it, and then let's give it a name and say advantages of AI from audio file, and then continue. So this is just going to upload the file, generate subtitle again, and then add visuals. So adding visuals does it automatically from the look of things, but we can't tell until it's done. So it just finished adding the visual, and there's a message here: if the AI didn't add stock videos as a part of the content, just highlight the relevant transcription and click generate video for an easy fix. Which means there's a tendency that the AI might skip some parts, and which means that part might just be blank. I don't know, but from the look of things, it has highlighted all the aspects that are in the video or in the audio. So it automatically just fixed it on portrait, but I want us to stick to landscape. Let's see how this goes. Maybe because it's less than a minute, so it moved it to portrait, thinking this could be a YouTube short or a TikTok video. But let's see the video preview that will come up. But one other thing that I have noticed is the video preview takes a lot of time to come up, which is I don't know, there should be some form of disclaimer earlier on, just to tell people that this is the estimated time you should wait for a video of this length, and one wouldn't really be expecting a fast result when you see disclaimers like that. So it's just a side note for Jupitrr. And this 5 minutes, I really don't know if it just calculates total of 5 minutes that you can use within the entire video, or if I delete the other videos I've made in my video from my video library, does that reset the time I have, or is the 5 minute something that resets every maybe month or week? It's something that we need to know. So now that this is done, we're just gonna watch the video and see how it plays out.
You know that new girl in high school that every guy wants to talk with? The same girl where every other girl is jealous of because she has the tendency to steal their guys away? Well, that's what artificial intelligence is. So in this video, we're going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages, as well as some ethical issues that we should all be wary of when using and or developing artificial intelligence. So let's talk.
Okay, this I don't really know how I feel about this, but this looks like something that would work perfectly for topics or niches that are not really streamlined. So let's say you're talking about something, let's say you're talking about something general like politics or some form of really just educational content that just could have any video or image, a general video or image that could just fit in as the b-roll. It's going to work very well and smoothly because the b-rolls won't really matter a lot, and most of them would just work well, I mean, fit in perfectly. But for something like this particular video, sometimes it needs some really specific content to serve as the b-rolls, and it doesn't really fit in perfectly for this. So it depends on your use case. I don't know what you intend to use this for, but let me know in the comment section. And for me, most of my videos don't really require these kinds of b-rolls, which means I don't see myself using Jupitrr. That's just my own personal preference. I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comment section because I would love to hear your own opinion. That's just everything you need to know about Jupitrr AI so far. That's just been it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.